One thing I do like about this car though is this interior, boy. We gotta get this, y'all. We gotta get it. Not aligned. Not aligned. Got some little nicks. Oh, hail damage. Oh. Go back. Check engine light on. We Hustle Daily, what's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another Copart walk around today, and we're about to get right into it. I guess we can start here. Y'all don't know, Copart is a public auction where you can buy cars at. Woo! Dead wind! Jeez! All right, so we got an SRT. This look like a Hellcat. Look like a stick shift too. Whew, we ain't gonna even waste no time, bro. It's cold out here, man. Cold out here, y'all. Let's go ahead and come here where we came to see. Now, we did come to see a Mopar, but let's look at the Acura first. We got an Acura with a little damage. It's a hybrid though. Ooh. Ooh. Wheelhouse damage. This is the ILX. I don't really buy Acuras. I just seen that this one had minor damage, so I say, you know what, let's go look at it. You know what I mean? We got leather. What the heck? I've never seen a thing right here. Have y'all seen that before? Let me know in the comments below. Y'all know if it don't got no power, we're gonna keep it moving. And yeah, we gotta keep it moving, y'all. If y'all don't know why I do that, head on over to wehustledaily.com. All right, we got a Mercedes here. Set this down. Now, the damage is not bad at all on this one. This is a 2011. Minor damage. This is the reason why we're looking at it. Let's look all the way around. This is towing something. I was crazy because me and my homie was just talking about these. He was asking me, did I like these? And I told him, not really. I like the sedan better in this body style. But let's see what we got. We got power. We do. Which is great. Let's see what it sounds like. What the hell? I guess you need to crank it. All right, we do got the jump box, so let's go ahead and crank this joint. Where is it? Is it in here? Is it in here? Where is it? Oh, what the heck? This broke off. Dang. Oh, I guess it goes on here. Something like that. Let's crank it up, y'all. See what it sounds like. Alright. I got the positive first. Got the negative next. That is make sure I'm putting on the right, what you call it. That's positive. What's this? No, that's positive here. This is negative here. I don't see. What the heck is that? Okay, yeah, I see it. Yep, that's negative. I got it. I got it. All right, let's see if we can get some power. All right. Go back. Check engine light on. I smell smoke and everything. It'd be like, I know like last time I was like, oh, it's smoking, but no, it's really smoking. Like, this is not just it's cold smoke. This is a different type of smoke. I can smell it. It's like, you know, like a misfire smoke. Yeah, this ain't it. This ain't it, man. So we're gonna go look at this charger that I came here to check. It's got little to no damage on it, actually. Well, it evened out a little bit. But let's see. Yeah, I don't want this though. I don't want it. Let's go look at the charger, man, because that's another car I really came here to look at today.
All right, Hustle Nation, I decided to drop a low ticket course for those of you who cannot afford the full curriculum for $147. I decided to drop a course for just $19.99, where I'm going to teach you how to inspect any car, whether from a private party buyer or the auction. These skills you can use for a lifetime, and I still use these skills to this day. This is the foundation that's going to take you to a whole nother level when it comes to checking out cars. Learn all my tips and tricks on how I've been able to buy all these nice cars and make all this money. Here are some testimonials right here where you can see how I've been able to help other people in this business. So for just $19.99, click the link in the description below and I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know.
All right, guys, so what do we have here now? This is supposed to be, let me set this down, not aligned. Got some little nicks. Oh, hail damage. Oh, I see. Dang. No. Oh, we got power, yes. Key not detected, okay. $122 on the miles. Red interior. All-wheel drive, SXT, good tires. Current bid is $1,600. Red interior. Do have a dog. Well, did have a dog. Not hail. Not hail. So this is a hail damage charger right here. Everything looks good. It looks decent. It looks decent. Okay. Okay. No smoke up. We don't got no coolant in here though. Other than that, that's it. So we gotta sit here and let this thing marinate. We don't got no coolant in here, y'all. So what that say? Brake fluid excess. Yeah. Got the lights on it. I like that interior. That interior going crazy. Yep, lights working. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. This one got a backup camera? Yep. Uh-oh. Got the bass. I mean, Beats bass. Matte. Ooh, I wonder how much this one will go for, y'all. We will have to see, but Let me do all my WHD Academy tips, tricks, techniques. Let me check this thing out and see what we really working with. Wait. Why I keep saying key has left? I don't like that. So something's going on with the key. So we would have to get the key like programmed, because it's saying that the key has left the vehicle. The key didn't leave the vehicle's right here, which doesn't work. Anyways, let me spend some time with it. I'm digging the interior, the red. So give me some time with it. I'm gonna spend some time with it. I'll be right back with y'all in a few. All right, let's see what we got, ladies and gentlemen. See if we got anything that can cancel this from us wanting to buy it, but definitely interested in it. See what we got here. Fans ain't came on just yet. This broke. Okay. Everything good so far. Everything good. The current bid is $1,600 on this right now. Oh, we definitely need the fan to come on because I gotta see what's going on with the coolant. Open this up. Everything looking alright. No ticking, knocking, or nothing in there. One thing I do like about this car though is this interior, boy. We gotta get this, y'all. We gotta get it. Good tires on it. Literally just hail damage. It reminds me of all these other hail damage cars I bought. Nothing going on with it. Just shoot, we just gonna wipe all this stuff off. And that's it. It's perfect. Perfecto. So we will see. Usually when stuff is, look at that little wheel on here, on that little G, on this Q or whatever this is, QX60. So yes ma'am, yes sir, give me a minute. Everything seemed cool. I just want the fans to come back on. If y'all know me, I like for my fans to come on and make sure my car is not overheating. But I've checked everything out. I've checked the AC, I've checked the heat, I've checked everything. Sunroof, all the windows work. I just know this ain't gonna be super cheap, but it should be, I guess, decent. You know what I mean? We'll see. Just depends on how much they want to pay, you know. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm liking it. I'm gonna see y'all when I finish checking it out. Make sure the fans come on and all of that. And yep, it's gonna be good. All right, and I like this car a lot, so we're gonna be bidding on this. Now I do got a guy coming out to look at this Hyundai, so I got to get up out of here, but this Charger is a go. All right, so I appreciate y'all for tuning in and rock with me, man. Let me go ahead and get up out of here so I can sell this Hyundai. It's been a long time, so appreciate y'all, love y'all. I'm out.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.